Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Siyam Art World, and today I am going to show you how to make this easy origami paper sunglass. Simply, it's very easy to make. Anyone can make this. So let's start the video. Before starting, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss our new creations.
Was damaged, would you love me the same? Would you vanish, or would you not be ashamed to see me manic? Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Zanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make me insane. But when I'm sober, would you love me that way? Cause I'd be lower. Don't want you to be the same. You and I, so I will never die. I promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and I.
Baby, I told ya, I can be there if you just want somebody to hold ya, Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah, But you so imperfectly perfect, I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it, All of my lessons I learned them, now when it comes to my bridges I burned them, look, I'm